In this video, you're going to go on a journey with me as I fill some ATM machines. This was actually from last week. In Pennsylvania, we had a snowstorm, a winter storm, and this is the day after when I was filling some ATMs. And actually, in the video, I explained why I had to fill one of the machines. And I just want to give you a little bit of a warning. This is no fancy stuff. Like, there's no fancy video, there's no fancy editing, there's nothing fancy about this. You know how I am. It's real deal. I'm just going to give you the truth, the way it is, right? You're just going to get the footage as it is. And not all the footage is masterful. Like, I'm not going to win any kind of cinematic, awards or shit, right? But you're going to learn something. And I promise on these journeys that I'm going to start sharing with you in the future, I'm going to give you at least one actionable tip that you can use. All right. Don't forget, like this video. Click on the ATM, subscribe to this channel. If you got any questions, post them below, and definitely post below. Let me know what you would like an upcoming video to be about. Enjoy. This is one of the things I love about the ATM business. You can drive and fill your ATMs when it's convenient for you, right? I don't get stressed out and angry about rush hour traffic because look, there's nobody around hardly. This is, all about convenience and doing things the way you want to do it. I love that about this business and that freedom that we get. I go in here and fill this barbershop real quick. The weather made them blow through cash. So I'll be out in a jiff, guys. Hey guys. So I had to go fill this barbershop because we had a really bad snowstorm here in Pennsylvania a couple days ago. Ice and, stuff like that. And the cool thing about being in the ATM business is, you can, fill your machines up where you don't have to go out in inclement weather. But what happened was people weren't using the machines then because of the weather. But when it broke, the weather broke, like the next day, literally, this barbershop blew through money. So I was like, I guess everybody was waiting for the weather to get better to go cut their hair. So I had to call an audible on my normal time when I would fill machines, and I just decided to go fill that today and take care of a couple other machines today. So I'm walking into this other shop we have now. I don't even know what I would call it, what kind of shop I would call it, but I'll be back in a second. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah, I know.
I'm on video. Do you want to say hi?
Oh, sure, I'll say hi. Hi.
What kind of shop? I was telling him I don't know what kind of shop your place is, really.
I'm an organic apothecary.
There we go. That's
yes,
the word.
That's
All
the
right.
word. Yep.
And tell them what your name is.
My name is Jackie.
Awesome.
Yep.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a good one. All right, I'm gonna go in there and fill this machine now. I just want to show you guys this real quick. This is not a kind of CDU that I would recommend. This is the kind that you do not remove. I gotta be a little quiet because they got customers in here. But this is the kind you do not remove, which makes it a pain in the ass. So basically it just comes in and out like that. So that's just a tip. Make sure you always get a ATM that has a removable cassette. Alright? That's your tip for the day. So I wanted to show you that little CDU because it's the ones that are not removable are a pain in the ass, so definitely don't get them. That was a machine I got a long time ago. It's been moved plenty of times. That's why I still have it. It's upgraded. It's perfect. Everything is fine about it. It's just hate that it's not removable. I got one more place I'm gonna fill today, and then I'm pretty much done using today. All right, I'm done filling ATMs for today. But I'll tell you what, we're getting ready to move to the beach. I would say before the summer, hopefully, or just this year at some point. And I'm of the mindset where you build these relationships with these business owners, and you build friendships with them. And I'm of the mindset where, like, I don't want to screw these people, and clearly I'm going to be far away, so I can't keep all these locations. And so couple of these locations I will be selling the ATM back to the business owner, and teaching them how to fill it and all that kind of good stuff. And then there's another location around here that I'm probably gonna sell the location to somebody. I have a couple people interested, and then the other machines I'll just take, I'll just take with me. And oh man, sorry, it's freezing. Holy shit. I'll just take with me, and it'll be like me, just like you starting new. It'll be like me starting new, except in a new area. And then there's several machines that we are keeping because they're close to where we're moving to. And then one is it just makes so much freaking money that we're not gonna get rid of it. We're just gonna stack it up with cash. So I'm gonna miss some of these people here, the ones that I just filled. 2 of the 3 are buying their machines, and the one is the one location where I'm gonna sell the location. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you got any questions, post them below, and also let me know what you would like my next video to be about. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon, and may you live happily off of passive income.